All right, mechanic friends, me and my dad are trying to open up this stroller. We've spent like a half hour. We have no idea how to open this thing up. All right, let's try pulling that other lever down there again. That funky one. Let's see here. No.
These?
Yeah, let's pull these. Let's try this. Anything happening?
Nope.
It kind of moves.
Let's try.
Well, we got to look for a button. I know there's a button here somewhere that makes this whole thing fold out like a cartoon. And it's got to be someplace. Okay, now we know people walking babies don't want to be bending around a lot. There's got to be a button here somewhere or something. Some shit. Oh, hey, I got that deal to fold out.
Oh yeah, you got the sunbonnet to work.
Now the baby's laying upside down. What can you do? Every now and then you got to lay upside down. What the hell? How do you even get the front wheel to come out?
I think when it unfolds, it comes out like this and sits on the front wheel.
Oh my God, we're old. Oh, Jesus.
No. We don't believe a baby should be in something like this to start with.
Well, hell. I'd like to be in something like this if I'm going down the road at 80 miles an hour. It's apparently very safe. You can't open it up, so maybe it won't close up.
It's baby proof.
Oh my God, this is absurd. There's a button somewhere. There has to be a button somewhere on this thing. There's a button somewhere. I know it, because you see, you know, these chicks, they roll on up, bam, hit a button, and the whole thing folds out like
magic.
Magic, yeah. Feel like you're in Las Vegas. What the hell?
Siegfried, what, Roy? Come up in the stroller, please.
Voila! It is open. Okay, I got the plan. From now on, the baby rides
head down in
the vertical position.
Little bugger will go to sleep after a while. Be
We
quiet.
got wheels right there, so we can hold on to this hoodad right here and just kind of drive them around. There you go. Happy baby day. You know there is a button here somewhere.
Well, that's why I thought it was these things,
What's
but
this?
they're not doing anything.
What's that? That's not doing nothing. It does push though, so it's a button. And I see an index mark there for something. Not that. Well, that feels like it's kind of moving up. Oh my God. All right, there's something going on here. There's something in there.
Well, that's why I thought it was these, because see, they've got a finger hole there.
Yeah.
But well, you can hear something moving here.
Well, here's these locks. I don't know if these are just locks or I think you got to kick the shit out of it. Maybe we just kick the shit out of it and see if that... Okay, I think I'm unlocked and you're locked. I'm not sure. Okay, well... Oh, yeah. Yeah, that might be the unlocked portion there. Like that. Go. Nope.
Wait.
That didn't do it. Did
Wait,
it?
something.
Did something move?
Something.
Oh, Jeebit. Oh, move the other one. See if the other one will move.
No.
Nope. Oh, come on.
Started to.
Are you serious? Alright. I'm going to go get a torch and a 5-pound sledge, and we'll get it open. Somehow. What's that? Room for beer? Oh, looky there. A little pocket for your beer.
Oh, wait, look, it's the flinger model. Flinger right out in the street.
Got an ejection seat.
Okay, these are just brakes.
Maybe.
So that, yeah, see, they just lock right there.
Okay, I'll buy that.
And this is just...
You watch. Ashley's going to come over here in 8 seconds and go...
What's wrong with you old farts? Oops.
Oh, fuck that thing.